Hey, my name is Adam. I'm going to show you the new VST plugin from NewFangled Audio called Pendulate. It's distributed by Eventide Audio. It's free currently. I don't think it's going to be free forever, so check it out while you can. We'll start with a default patch here, and first we'll talk a little bit about some of the unique controls of this VST. Down at the bottom here you have modulation points, sources, and you can see the traces going up to the various places on the top row. If you click it, it becomes red, and then you see I'm able to adjust the amount on a bipolar positive negative here. If you right click, it will deactivate it, and then we'll do that for all of them here that have connections for this default patch. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Okay, so that should be blank. We'll start on the left, and we'll start by rolling everything off as well. Animate to 0, shape 0, amount we'll leave it 50 for now. And we'll start by looking at this interval here. The chaos amount seems to blend the original with this interval. So let's play a note, and let's change this interval. So an interesting place to start. Definitely some dissonance encouraged there. Maybe a little detune. Shape I don't fully understand, but it definitely changes the sound of the oscillator a lot. And then automate obviously gives you some movement. You have these sub oscillators. Alright, so cool starting point for this new style double pendulum oscillator. The wave folder and the low pass gate are both very West Coast Don Buchla style terms and techniques for synthesis. The wave folder will kind of double over the fold and fold the waveform, and it creates a lot of upper harmonics. Some of the settings here as described: mix, fold, drive. That's kind of self-explanatory. And then they also include another low pass filter for cutting off some of the high end, and then symmetry, which offsets into wave folder, adds even harmonics. It says try modulating that. So let's take an LFO, click it, and then click up here. And then while holding, you can set the amount. Interesting. And then the low pass gate is essentially your amp section with a filter attached and following the same path as your amp envelope. Again, this is very West Coast. This is an interesting 1 to 3 pole filter. Let's see. Resonance, maybe? Okay. The bottom section obviously is some controls and modulations, portamento, pitch bend amount, what octave you're in, whether you're stereo or not. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you learned some stuff, and thanks for watching. Oh, you also have a random button up here. There's some multi touch expression stuff that I'm not going over, and this is monophonic, but I believe the company sells a version that is polyphonic with a different name, which is probably pretty nasty sounding. So check it out, and thanks for watching. See you next time.